Hi, welcome to Daily English Learning. Today, we will learn about a daily routine in advanced and natural English. I wake up early in the morning. The environment feels calm, fresh, and peaceful. I get out of bed with a positive mindset. I remind myself that every new day brings new opportunities. To begin my day, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I drink a glass of water to refresh my body. This simple habit helps me feel active and energized. After that, I engage in light physical exercise. Sometimes I stretch my body, and sometimes I perform simple movements. This routine improves my energy level and keeps me healthy. I avoid using my phone during the early hours. It helps me maintain focus and mental clarity. Later, I sit quietly for a few moments. I reflect on my goals and priorities. I ask myself what I want to achieve during the day. Then I read a few pages from a book. Reading enhances my knowledge and strengthens my thinking ability. I try to learn something new every single day. After completing these activities, I take a shower. I wear clean and comfortable clothes. This makes me feel confident and prepared. In the morning, I have breakfast with my family. We spend some quality time together and share conversations. I prefer eating healthy and nutritious food. After breakfast, I plan my day carefully. I write down my tasks and set clear priorities. This habit helps me stay organized and productive. I begin my work with full concentration. I focus on my most important tasks first. Sometimes I study, sometimes I practice English, and sometimes I work on improving my skills. I believe that consistency is more important than perfection. Even small progress contributes to long-term success. During the day, I take a short break. I have my meal and allow my mind to relax. Proper rest helps me maintain productivity. After the break, I resume my work. I complete my remaining tasks with patience and focus. In the evening, I go for a walk. It refreshes my mind and reduces stress. Spending time in fresh air improves my mood. Later, I spend time with my family. We talk, laugh, and enjoy each other's company. These moments bring happiness and emotional balance. At night, I have my dinner. I prefer keeping my meal light and simple. Before going to bed, I review my day. I analyze what I did well and what I can improve. Finally, I prepare myself for the next day. I go to bed with a calm mind and a positive attitude. I believe that a disciplined daily routine builds a successful life.